No matter how you work, keeping track of your tasks, what's being worked on, and what's already done can be a job in itself. That's where task management tools like Trello come in. Trello is a task management tool that can supercharge your productivity and save you hours of time. Trello is by far one of the most simple and visual ways to track your tasks, all the way from initial task conception to task completion. Trello is one of the most basic yet most effective tools to use. I recommend Trello both for individuals as well as teams between 1 to 10 in size that need a way to keep track of their work. Whether you're brand new to Trello or you just need a refresher on the basics, we've got you covered. Here's what you're going to learn in this course. First, you're going to learn how to sign up for Trello's free plan and create your free Trello account. Second, you're going to learn how to create Trello boards, which are simply projects to store and visually track your tasks as well as your work. Then you're going to learn how to use Trello boards as well as best practices in order to maximize your productivity. We're going to explore areas like creating Trello cards and tasks, as well as creating Trello lists and columns, all the way to communicating through Trello tasks, setting due dates, and much, much more. I'll also explore some theory in this course through the use of Kanban boards. Trello uses the Kanban board style or the Trello board style of showing your tasks. So if you want to stick around for that at the end, you can learn a lot about how Kanban boards are managed and best practices in the real world in order to better manage your Trello board. Overall, this course is meant to be short, simple, and practical. It's perfect if you're new to Trello or you want a solid foundation of Kanban or Trello in order to use in the real world immediately. And if you've got people on your team, well, watch this course with them or have them watch this course on their own time in order to easily get them up to speed quickly. And to introduce myself, my name is Nick Mendez, and I'll be your instructor throughout this course. I've worked in project management for over a decade, and I've trained thousands of students across the world in many different countries here on Udemy, on YouTube, and on my own website. I've used many different tools across my time in project management to track work. I've used Asana, ClickUp, Monday, Jira, and more. And I can tell you from personal experience, Trello is by far the most popular tool for a reason. It's the easiest one to get started with managing, tracking, and completing your work. In less than an hour, you can get started creating your own boards, running through your projects, and implementing your tasks right within Trello in order to track your work and maximize your productivity. So, no matter if you're working with a small business or in a startup, or a corporate project, or you're just working on your own personal tasks, Trello is gonna help you out. Keep things simple and manage your work. In the next video, I'm gonna give you some tips on how you can get the most out of this course. And after that video, we're gonna go right into section 2, where I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get started with using Trello quickly.